This is Lumee's bath time. Follow me. Let's go. Take clothes off. Put them away. Turn on shower. Splash and play. Wash, wash, wash. Wash our hair. Rinse, rinse, rinse. Rinse our hair. Bubble, bubble body. Clean everywhere. Rinse, rinse, rinse. Rinse bubbles away.
I did it!
Mama dries Lumee with towel. Pick up hooray. Clean clothes on, ready to go. Bath time finished, now we glow. Yeah!
That was so much fun! Goodbye, everyone! Hooray!
Happy chicken time.